In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlink your email from Epic Games, including how to handle linked Gmail and 2FA-related account connections. This is a quick and simple process, and it's especially useful if you want to clean up your account connections, switch to a different email setup, or remove an old linked account you no longer use. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games website. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account before you continue, because the changes you make will apply directly to that account. Once you're logged in, go to your profile and open the account settings. Inside your account area, look over to the left-hand panel. You should see a section called Linked Accounts. This is where Epic Games keeps track of services and accounts connected to your profile. Click on Linked Accounts to open the full list. Now scroll through the linked accounts carefully until you find the Gmail account or email-related connection you want to remove. In some cases, this may also be tied to your 2FA setup, so take a moment to double-check that you're unlinking the correct one. This part is important because if you remove the wrong connection, it could affect how you sign in or verify your account later. Once you've confirmed the correct linked account, click Unlink. Epic Games may ask you to confirm the action, so read the prompt carefully before you proceed. If you're sure, confirm the unlink request and wait a few moments for the change to complete. After that, refresh the page or go back into linked accounts to make sure the email connection is no longer listed. If it's gone, then the unlink was successful. And that's it. You've now unlinked your email from Epic Games. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.